And despite the ongoing missile strikes and air raid sirens, residents of Kyiv in Ukraine gathered for the Christmas morning mass in a display of resilience and unity. Russia's missile assault on Ukraine's energy infrastructure, which targeted several cities, injuring at least 6 people in Kyiv and killing 1 in other region. Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky condemned the attack, calling it inhumane. For many in Kyiv, Christmas is not only a religious observation, but also a moment of solidarity amid the ongoing war. As the war continues, the people of Ukraine remain determined to celebrate the holiday despite the perilous circumstances.